The traditional failure in B2B sales often starts here, spending thousands of dollars on static, outdated lead lists that are usually cold by the time you hit send. Instead of buying dead data, the alternative is to build an autonomous, real-time pipeline that sources and qualifies prospects as they appear. Now, this setup requires three specific components: a cloud browser scraper like Airtop or Bright Data, a cloud-based spreadsheet, and a large language model like ChatGPT or Claude. Once integrated, the system handles the extraction, scores each lead for relevance, and drafts personalized messages without requiring you to manually research a single profile. Deploying this specific pipeline transitions lead generation from a capital-intensive expense into an automated engine that handles the heavy lifting of prospecting. To begin, we establish the data source by running a specific search query on a professional networking site or a company database to find our target audience. We then configure the cloud browser scraper to isolate and extract specific variables from the search results, ensuring the tool knows exactly which text fields to capture. To make the automation effective, you must extract 4 mandatory data points: name, role, company, and recent posts. Before running a mass pull, execute a test scrape of 5 to 10 profiles to verify that the tool is pulling the correct data from the intended fields. Once verified, the scraper then begins funneling this continuous stream of raw information directly into a structured database. The most common failure at this stage is a mapping error, where scraped information ends up in the wrong columns, making it impossible for the AI to read later. You prevent this by explicitly creating and labeling your spreadsheet headers before you activate the connection between the scraper and the sheet. Clean formatting is a mandatory prerequisite. This ensures the AI can correctly parse each variable when we move to the logic phase. By focusing on pristine data extraction, you ensure the structural integrity of the entire automation, avoiding the garbage in, garbage out trap that breaks most sales workflows. With the data structured, we link the spreadsheet directly to an AI API using a low-code integration pathway to begin processing the leads. Next, we introduce your ideal customer profile, or ICP. This serves as the definitive filter the AI will use to evaluate every lead that enters the system. We prompt the AI to cross-reference the role and company columns against your ICP criteria, instructing it to assign each prospect a numerical score from 1 to 10. Accuracy is key here. If your ICP prompt is too vague, the AI defaults to scoring every lead as a 10, rendering the filter useless. Once the lead is scored, we add a secondary command. The AI must specifically analyze the recent posts column for each prospect. This allows the AI to draft a short, punchy cold email that references the specific context of that individual's recent activity. This comparison shows the result. The AI takes the specific topic mentioned in the lead's post and uses it as the primary hook for the email draft. By combining an ICP score with contextual text generation, you replace hours of manual research with instant logic, creating the opportunity for much higher engagement with your outreach. The end state is an integrated workflow where every new lead is automatically sourced, scored, and prepared for outreach without manual intervention. The final step is exporting this dynamic database into an automated email sending platform to begin the outreach sequence. This system creates an autonomous engine for your sales process, allowing you to scale your outreach volume significantly while your research happens in the background. Adopting this AI-driven workflow moves you away from the friction of manual prospecting, shifting your focus toward closing the opportunities the system generates.